Very humor has been my favorite genre so far, whether it be humorous books or movies. The one person that I remember when I think of humor is Hanif Shankit. He's become popular all over the country by his simple dressing sense, and and the way he talks, and the way he talks. Mostly, he talks and says his jokes in the form of poems, and he brings up social topics in the way of jokes, which has been highly appreciated by everybody. And the way he brings up these topics is highly humorous, and it makes people pause and think that what are we doing to change it. His most appreciated one was the way he educated people on littering on the streets, and the very humorous way that it was executed. And I remember ending up in stitches during the show, during the jokes. And then when it ended, I sat down and thought that maybe I was also responsible for what is going out there, and that the situation that was shown by him could end up being a real and drastic situation for somebody else. His way of he was a very lean and thin figure, lean and thin person with a very normal face, and his dress up was very common. He used to come in a three-piece suit, and he used to stand with a poker face and say poems continuously, and very suddenly he used to give expressions which used to stick to your mind, and it used to make you burst out laughing. During later years, he started a show called Ittadi, and because Hanif Shankar was there, we would be waiting all week round so that we could sit and watch him. Uh, I've I've known of Hanif Shankar through that show, because when he used to do live shows, I was not even there in the world. I wasn't born. So his shows were highly entertaining. His jokes were very funny, and they used to stick to your head for a long time. So whenever any situation used to relate to his
Thank
shows,
you.
we used to say.
Yes, thank you. When did you last watch the program?
The last time I watched that program was a month back. I was very stressed because of my exams, and I really needed a breather. And luckily, his show was being broadcasted on the TV, and half an hour of that show, and I was relieved from stress. I felt really light, and it was as if the exam tension had taken a backseat in my mind.
Okay, thank you very much.